Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create interesting stories using AI-generated images. So here are some examples of AI-generated stories. I personally have created some of these stories, so you can check them out to get more ideas. These stories are really trending on YouTube now, so you can also create some and earn some passive income for yourself. Let's get started. We are using ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, Clipchamp and CapCut. So we are starting with the ChatGPT. Download the app on Play Store or Apple Store. Open the app and sign with your Google account. I have already done mine, so there's no need to do it again. Type in your story title, what you want your story to be about. Example, I'm typing, create a thrilling story about a small village in Africa. Okay, done. Now I'm waiting for ChatGPT to finish generating the story. It done. Now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create prompts to generate images for the story. Done. We are going to Leonardo AI app to generate the images. If you don't have the app, you can go to their site on Google, but I personally prefer the app. We are going back to ChatGPT to copy the prompts to generate images. Let's go back to Leonardo AI to paste it. I am deleting my previous prompts. Now let's paste our new one. As you can see, you need 20 coins for each purchase, and Leonardo AI gives you 150 coins a day to purchase images. I have used up my coins for my previous work, so this prompt is not going to generate unless I go pro or wait for tomorrow. So this is some of the works I created with Leonardo AI. So now let's move on to Genmo AI to add motion to the images. I am using the website. If this is your first time, you have to sign up with your email. Click on image and choose the image you generated from your gallery. Submit and wait for it to process. While we are waiting, here are some of my works I did recently. Okay, now is done. So this is how it looks like. Download it. Now let's move to Clipchamp for voiceover. Open the website sign up and click on text to speech. Look to your left, you will see create, and under it, there's text to speech. Click on it. If you're using a smart, make sure you are on desktop site. Okay, so after you have clicked on text to speech, there will be a little shift to the left and you will see type column. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the story you generated and paste it in the type column. Go to voice and select the language and gender for your speech. So I'm using English Nigerian for this and a female voiceover. Now export it. Note that it will come as a blank video, so don't search for it in your music, you won't find it. Now open CapCut, then choose the clips you generated. Click on Sounds. Go to Extract from Video and extract the text-to-speech voiceover. Add it to the clips, and arrange the clips to be in alignment with the speech. Now for the background songs, sign up on AIVA and choose your preferred track. Download it and add it to your clips on CapCut. You can add filters to your clips if you want to. Now export your work and upload it on YouTube. I hope this helps you.